Hey everyone, welcome back to another video for I Love Infusionsoft. Today I want to talk more about our dashboard and I want to talk about custom statistics in our widgets. Now you may or may not know that we're limited to only 10 spots in those widgets. A while ago we posted a video about how you can increase that number. You want to talk about that real quick?
Yeah, so technically the widgets are supposed to be only 10, right? And as you can see in this particular widget right here, if you wanted to count, you would see that I actually have 11. But let me show you how you get 11 first, and then we'll talk about the hack, and then we'll talk about the official way to handle things.
Perfect.
So if I knock this down, I cut a couple of these guys off, we get it down to 9. You see that we get our link back. Add another stat. So if you get up to 9, here's the key. When you add the 10th one, click Save and Add. So I'm on 9, I'm now going to add 10. Now our internet's slow. We'll talk about that in a sec. But I'll just pick a random one, and I'm going to click Save and Add, right? So on 10, Infusionsoft hasn't blocked this button yet for some reason. So if you click Save and Add, you're going to get an 11th one, all right? So that's one sneaky way, not real sneaky, but it's one way to get an 11th one. Now that Save and Add button isn't there, I hit Save, I've got 11. So going back though, we posted in one of our 12 hacks, this little hack that my brother figured out one day when he was frustrated with our office internet because it was running too slow, that if you just smash that button a bunch of times, you can actually get more stats on there. So we'll try it right now. The problem is our office internet's really fast here, and we haven't been able to recreate it today. So what I'm going to do is click this, and then the Save and Add button, when you're adding your 10th one from the 9th one, that's when you do it, and you just bam, 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 as fast as you can on that Save and Add button. If your internet's really slow,
it'll work.
It'll work. You'll get a whole bunch of those guys on there. So let's try. Yeah, see, I don't think I got it.
So fast.
Don't think I got it. Our internet's too fast. See, I even clicked on one of the other links. Let's go back to dashboard. We'll see what it ended up with. But if your internet's slow, you can try that method. But Matt, there's another actually official way. Tell them about it.
The real way to do this, if you really need more items in your widgets, you just got to call Infusionsoft. Call Keep. Let them know what you're doing, and they will add more to your widgets. That way you can have more stats on there.
Yeah, on an account-by-account basis, they can increase the limit for your widgets. The reason they don't, and you might be wondering, well, why not just make it always available, is because those widgets are loading data from the dashboard, different searches and things like that. It puts a strain on the database and the server and everything. We don't want everything running slowly, and so they limit that for that reason, and they will occasionally, for customers, increase those limits if you need them.
They will not increase your custom fields, though. We've tried. They won't.
Not yet. Maybe one day.
Maybe one day. But guys, if you're looking for more videos, more tips, you can always visit us at iloveinfusionsoft.com or boxoutmarketing.com, and you can click, it's not request a consult anymore, it's request a strategy session. We changed that a few months ago. But we'd be happy to talk with you and learn more about how we can help. Thanks, guys.